In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cool drop shadow in Figma. Whether you're a design pro or just getting started with Figma, this tutorial is designed to be easy to follow and help you enhance your interface designs with a neat, modern look. First, let's get started by opening up Figma, which is known for its collaborative design capabilities and streamlined interface. You can do this by navigating to the Figma homepage through your web browser. Once there, take a moment to admire Figma's simple yet powerful dashboard, perfect for both individual and team projects. Next, we'll need to log into your Figma account. If you're already signed in, then great. If not, click on the login button. Here, you'll enter your login credentials. If you've forgotten your password or need to set up an account, you should be able to find options to address those issues effortlessly on the login screen, ensuring a smooth start. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma home interface. This is your design hub where all your projects are easily accessible. From here, find and select the project you're working on, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Navigating Figma is part of its charm, making it ideal for producing high quality designs efficiently. Now click on Design, which brings us into the creative workspace where we can start applying our stylistic changes. It's time to select the object or layer that you'd like to spruce up with a drop shadow. Clicking on your chosen object or layer will expose a plethora of customization options. Choosing the right basis for your shadow is key to achieving the desired effect, so take your time here. With your layer selected, direct your attention to the right hand panel where you'll find the Effects section. This is where Figma allows you to play with the visual depth and focus of your design elements. Click on Effects to explore the Effects panel. Here we've got several wonderful options to enhance our design, but today our focus is on creating a drop shadow. Select drop shadow from the list. Now you can adjust various parameters like the shadow's opacity, blur and angle to suit your precise stylistic preference. Drag sliders to subtly adjust or click and enter numbers for precision. You can also experiment with color to match the mood or aesthetic of your design, giving you full creative control. Congratulations, you've just created a dynamic drop shadow effect in Figma. Feel free to refine these settings as needed to get that perfectly balanced look for your project. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to consistently produce captivating and professional designs.